Hey guys, in today's video we are doing more laundry stripping. However, we are not stripping laundry. We are stripping the pillows from our couch. You guys, this is unbelievable. I cannot wait for you guys to see what is to come. If you guys are new here, my name is Corey. I am a full-time working mama, and on my channel I do beauty, lifestyle, and cleaning. Beauties on Sundays. Okay guys, so I started out using a lighter to burn all of the extra strings off of these pillows. I do not suggest it. Do not do it. I just went and got some clippers because I didn't want to walk all the way down my stairs. I pulled them out of my husband's drawer and I just clipped all of the extra strings off of all of these pillows. And you guys, other than soaking the pillows, this part took a good 30-35 minutes to do. So if you plan on doing this, plan for a lot of extra time to spend doing all of the things that you need to do to prepare your pillows before putting them in this soak. While we're here watching me cut all of the strings off of my pillows, I wanted to ask you guys, what is something that you want to see me strip laundry-wise? Bedding, more towels, whites, darks, brights, whatever it is, put it in the comment section down below. That way I know what is going to go next in my laundry stripping series. The ingredients are the exact same that I used in my last video. So super hot water, 1/4 cup borax, 1/4 cup Arm & Hammer baking soda, the laundry one, and then 1 full heaping scoop of the Tide powder laundry detergent. That is it. Super simple. I am addicted, you guys. Addicted. So I did decide this time around to mix all of the ingredients that I used before putting the pillows in, only because I know that these pillows are going to get so heavy and they are going to be so hard to move and flip, and you know, all the things that I'm going to need to be doing to get these pillows clean. So I mixed the ingredients first. This stick that you see me mixing all of this with is actually like a painter's wand. You just screw like a paint roller on top of that, and that is what we used to paint our house when we painted our house. Anyways, now I'm using it for laundry stripping. Okay, you guys, this water is seriously so disgusting. I think I am so freaked out. I am gonna have to strip every single possible thing that I can strip in my home because this makes me physically sick to think about. So here I am actually squeezing as much water out of these pillows that I possibly can, and then I am draining all of the water because I figured with the water being this gross, girl, you need to do it again. So you will see here in just a few minutes that I drain all of the water, clean out my bathtub, and then I put in new hot water, all new ingredients to do this process twice with these pillows because they are so disgusting. So you can see that the water is not nearly as bad as it was before. I did not let this sit as long as I was supposed to. However, I figured since it was the second round, it didn't need to sit for the 4 hours that you would typically leave it sitting for. So I did about 2.5 hours and the water was not that bad. You guys, the pillows turned out amazing. Get ready to see how amazing they look here in just a minute. Alrighty guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love chatting with all of you in the comments. I love getting to know each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made it this far, leave a laundry basket in the comment section down below. I love you all. Thank you for watching.